Hi everyone, welcome to my video. For this activity, I choose to visit one of my favorite places in our community, a quiet spot where I can relax and enjoy the beauty of nature. There is where I usually go to unwind, think, and just appreciate the peaceful view of the sunset. It's really calm here, and it helps me forget about stress for a while. I love this place because it reminds me that sometimes we just need to slow down and enjoy simple moments just like this. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you also find a place in your community where you can relax and enjoy nature just like I do. Thank you. Bye-bye.